How to empty storage on your DJI Osmo Nano. So let me just turn this camera on, and once we are here, we're gonna open our settings, swipe down, and here should be settings, and scroll down until you find the storage. Storage is here, and you can check your actual storage. So if you have the SD card and the basic Nano storage. Here we can also export it from the Nano to the SD card. That's the first way how you can empty storage, but I don't have the SD card. And if you want to actually empty it, go back to your screen, and here is the library. Click library, and now click these three dots, and you have to remove all of that footage in order to empty your storage. So let me just do it pretty quickly. And that should be it. So now you can check your storage. If this didn't help you, you can plug the cable to your computer and remove it, all the files here. So sometimes it may happen that all files are not here. Plug here the cable and put it into your computer, and there delete all the storage. These are the steps how you can do it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.